In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track your finances using Notion, Part 1. If you've been looking for a simple way to stay on top of your spending, savings, and goals, this walkthrough will help you get started quickly using a ready-made template from Notion's marketplace. First, open the Notion website in your browser. You can use any modern browser, and the process is the same whether you're on a laptop or desktop. Once the site loads, look for the marketplace. This is where Notion showcases templates built by Notion and the community. Templates are pre-built pages and databases you can add to your workspace to save time, and they're perfect for getting a finance system up and running without building everything from scratch. Inside the marketplace, find the search bar at the top and type Finance Tracker. Press Enter and you'll see a variety of options from simple expense logs to more comprehensive dashboards. Take a moment to skim the titles and descriptions. You're looking for a layout that fits how you think about money, whether that's a clean list of transactions, a budget view, or a dashboard with charts. When you find one that looks right for you, click it to open its page. Then, click Add. Notion will add the template to your workspace, creating a new page with all the blocks and databases included. Once the template is added, this is where the fun begins. Customize it so it truly fits your life. Start by renaming the page to something meaningful, like Personal Finance or Monthly Money Hub. Open the transactions database and check the properties. Common fields include date, amount, category, and notes. You can rename categories to match how you actually spend, like groceries, transport, rent, or subscriptions. If the currency isn't right for you, adjust the number format to show your preferred symbol. If you see fields you don't need, hide or delete them to keep the view clean and focused. Consider adding views that help you spot patterns, like a monthly view filtered to the current month, or a grouped view by the category so you can see where your money goes. If the template includes a dashboard, rearrange the sections so the most important information sits at the top. Keep your input process simple so you'll stick with it. A quick date, amount, category, and a short note is often all you need. As you use it, refine the setup. Think of this as a living system that adapts to your habits over time. That's it for Part 1. In the next part, we'll make this tracker even smarter with views and simple automations.